healing bullshit, medicine, fucking whatever. Don't rush me.
Oh, okay.
Just hold still, Morty.
Oh, wow. My leg feels so much better. How did you do that?
Shut up, Morty.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, jeez, Rick. Oh.
I want to kill myself. Text my girlfriend and tell her I love her.
And then kill yourself?